Hello everybody and welcome to my X-Files. I have got something to show you that I haven't showed you when that I got just after getting the Miele vacuum cleaner. We got another vacuum cleaner I want to show you guys. This is the vacuum I'm talking about, the Black & Decker Dustbuster Flexi 18 volt. An old friend of mine used to have a Dustbuster Flexi 10.8 volt one, but of course this one of course is longer, so is more powerful. So this one of course, as you know, has an extremely long hose, so it can go up this upstairs. I tried it myself. It's gone up about four or five stairs. So what comes with it? Here we have a box of bits. So we've got this upholstery / dusting brush. But I use this one mostly on hard floors, just to flick it open to get into the dusting position. We have a nice long crevice tool for skirtings and some areas underneath awkward places. And then we got two extension ones. Just goes on like that. And then of course you just push out if you don't need them. And then finally, with this model, you get this, a Black & Decker hard floor tool. Of course, it's got plastic base like my like my Miele, but my Miele's more professional one. This one's extremely cheap. Of course, it only has front roll of brushes. So you may want to see a demonstration of this, don't you? So put the box of bits to the side here. So we'll start with this. Okay. So of course this, even though it's still a bit bloody. So of course this vacuum is 18 volts, but this vacuum sounds a bit more louder when you put it onto hard floor. So. So yeah, this is definitely a very good vacuum cleaner, better than my Hoover Jovis. We'll quickly do a little mess test because I know you'll probably like to see that. So here's the mess on the ground here. So what I'm going to do is just clean up like that. As you can see, extremely powerful cleanup with this vacuum cleaner, and let's say I am extremely impressed like I was with my Miele. But of course this came before the Indesit XWA 91683 got replaced by the Indesit BWE 101 683 washer. So just before I go, I'm going to get you a little special guest to come round to see. Now if you can Now, as you can see here, who just passed by is my little mate Bingo the Carve. He used to be my cardboard destruction engineer. You wouldn't think that he would be able to be a cardboard destruction engineer employer type thing, but he is. One of a kind, I must say. So of course he has just molted a bit of hair, so show you a little bit more with this vacuum cleaner what it can do. So yeah, that vacuum cleaner can clean stuff, pet hair to a certain extent. So now that you see my cardboard destruction best mate and cardboard destructing engineer / employer, and of course to my and also for my Black & Decker, I would like to say thank you for watching my X-Files, and I'll see you next time. Suck it!